So the first step around becoming more productive and creating your dream business is creating training videos. So we all know what it's like to be the new kid on the block, asking, how do I do this again? Or where's that document saved? So what I wanted to do today was to share with you a program that I commonly use. This program's called Jing. And Jing will help you to create efficiencies within your business. It will save time, and also it will make sure that you've got a consistent approach, regardless of whether your team member is based. So whether they're based here in Australia or at the Philippines, everybody's literally singing from the same hymn book. The reason why I like the program Jing is that it captures your screen and it also captures your voice. And there's 3 reasons why I really like it. One is that it's really simple to use. Even I can use it. 2, it's free. And the third thing is that it captures the videos at 5 minutes. So it forces you to be short, sharp, and to the point. Let's take a look at using Jing, and Zach's going to take us online and show us how simple it is to use.
So I'm just going to show you now how to download, install, and then use the program Jing. So to start us off, we'll go into Google and we're just going to search for Jing. It's going to be the first result you get on Google, the TechSmith website here. Once you click into this one, you'll see your blue button here for your free download. So just click on the free download button and make sure then you select the right version for whatever platform you're using. So make sure if you're using a Mac, you just use the Mac download button, or Windows for Windows. So I'm just going to click on the Windows one here, and that's going to automatically open my Jing download. So once that's downloaded, I click on it, and now I'm just going to follow the prompts to install this onto my computer here. Just make sure you accept the fine print for Jing, click install, and that will run all of the stuff it needs to do to install it on your laptop or computer. Once it's done, you just hit the finish button, and that means everything's done. So once Jing has been installed, first to start using it, you need to create an account for this one. So you just type in your email, your display name, and give it a password. Obviously make sure you select the right country, and then you just hit create, and that will just click you through to start using that one. However, I've already created an account, so I'm just going to show you how to go from here. So now that you've created your account with Jing, it will automatically open up for you at the very top of your screen here. It's this little sun icon. If you want to move that one, you can just click and drag and change that to any other side of your desktop. I'm just going to leave mine up in the top in the middle because that's where I'm used to it. So now to create your training video, I would recommend before clicking through on all the settings on Jing that you get all of the necessary websites or anything that you need up on your desktop for the training video ready beforehand. So for today's example, I'm just going to do a quick how to navigate through the 5Elk website, just as an example, as a training video. So I'm going to get that website ready so that when I've clicked through on Jing, everything's ready to go. So to start capturing your screen for the video, you just need to hit this plus icon, which is the capture button. So I'm going to click the capture button, and that turns my mouse into a resolution picker. So what this one does is it allows me to select how much of the screen that I want to show in the capture. So for a training video, it's always best to select the whole screen just so that everyone can see everything that's happening and there's no confusion. So the way I do that one is I move my cursor to the top right corner. That will select the whole screen, and then I click to capture that. So that's going to open up a grey menu bar for me down the bottom here. Now, if you have made any stuff ups with the selection of the screen, there is the third icon along, which is the redo selection button. So that allows you can click that one and then rechange where you want to move that to. So once again, moving to the top right to select the whole screen and clicking there. So what you want to do to capture your video is move to the second icon along, which is the capture video button, and click on that one. Just be aware that as soon as you click that, it'll give you a 3-second countdown before the video capture starts. So make sure that you're ready to go. So I'm going to click this one. Gives me the 3, 2, 1. And now this is a quick example of a training video. So I'm on the 5ELK website, and many people have asked me how to navigate through this one. So I'm going to show you how to get to the About page. So what you want to do is find the top menu along here that has all the tabs, and then I'm going to click on the About tab to take me to the About page, and that will open up the About 5ELK page. So that's just a very small example of a training video of how to do something and how that would work with Jing. So once you've done with your capture, you click onto the grey menu that's still down the bottom left. It's looking a little translucent now, and you hit the stop button, which is the finish capture video button. So once I've clicked onto this one, it opens up this little Jing player for me. So this allows me to re-watch what I've just captured, and that's just a good feature that allows me to make sure I'm 100% happy with what I've just captured and that there's nothing else I need to change. So once you're happy with your capture, I would just suggest renaming it to something a little more relevant. So I'm going to change mine to 5ELK navigation. And what I can do from there is then just hit the save button, and I'll be able to save that somewhere onto my computer. So I'm just going to save that into my desktop for now. So you've clicked save, and then Jing pops up and tells you that the capture has been saved successfully, which is always handy. So now you can click on open the file to go and view where that file is, and if you need to do any more work on it, you'll be able to do so there. So that is how to create a training video using Jing. I hope you all enjoy this brilliant piece of software.